Good morning, students. Today we will revisit the fifth chapter, that is coal and petroleum. Okay, in our daily life, we use different types of or different kinds of materials based on our basic needs. Those materials, some of them are present in nature or are found in nature, and some are made by human efforts. Okay, so on the availability of various resources present in nature, the resources, they are classified into two kinds, that is inexhaustible natural resources or exhaustible natural resources. Inexhaustible natural resources, the resources which are present in unlimited quantity, okay, in nature, and are not likely to be exhausted by human activities. Okay, what are inexhaustible natural resources? Question can be asked in 2 marks, that what are inexhaustible natural resources. This is a very simple natural question. You can write in 20 to 25 words. Okay, so what are inexhaustible? The resources which are present in unlimited quantity in nature and are not likely to be exhausted by human activities. Okay, examples: sunlight, air. These are the examples of inexhaustible natural resources. Now, second one is exhaustible natural resources. The resources which are present in nature is limited. Okay, the resources which are present in limited is limited and they can be exhausted by human activities. Okay, examples of these resources are forest, wildlife, minerals, coal, petroleum, natural gas, etc. So these resources, they are present in limited amount, and if we use in excess amount, if we use in excess way, then in future they will be finished. Okay, so in this chapter what we have to learn? We have to learn about the some of the exhaustible natural resources. That is, we have to learn in this chapter about coal, petroleum, natural gas. Okay, now come to fuels, fossils or fossil fuels. Fuels, I've told you about the fuels, that what are fuels? On burning a substance, that when energy is released, okay, energy is released, that is what a fuel. Like petrol, when we burn petrol, then the energy will release, that is what fuel. Fossil fuels, okay, the dead remains of plants and animals over a million of years ago. बहुत साल पहले जो प्लांट्स और एनिमल्स मर गए, उनके जो रिमेन्स हैं, उनसे जो हमें फ्यूल्स मिलते हैं, दैट इज़ व्हाट फॉसिल फ्यूल्स. ओके, now on the basis of these this fossil fuels, we will learn about the coal. Coal is what? It is a fossil fuel. Petroleum is also a fossil fuel. Natural gas is also a fossil fuels. Why they are fossil fuels? Because they are made up of the dead remains of plants and animals from the millions or billions of years ago. जो डेड प्लांट्स थे, हमारे एनिमल्स थे, उनसे उनके जो वो जो पूरा आपके जो स्टोरी अभी हम लोग कोल में पढ़ेंगे, उनके जो कार्बनाइजेशन, उनके फॉर्म से जो हमें फ्यूल्स मिले हैं, दैट इज फॉसिल फ्यूल्स, डेड रिमेन्स ऑफ प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स over a billions of years ago. Okay, now we will learn about the coal. You may have seen coal or heard about it. Okay, see figure 5.1. It is hard as a stone and is black in color. Okay, Coal is one of the fuels used to cook food. Earlier, it was used in railway engines to produce the steam to run the engine. It is also used in thermal power plants to produce electricity. Coal is also used as a fuel in various industries. Okay, this is the use of coal, the basic uses you know very well. Okay, now come to the story of coal. Where do we get coal from and how is it formed? So story is that about 300 million years ago the earth had a dense forest, okay, in low-lying wetland areas. Then what happened? Due to natural processes means like flooding, earthquakes, tsunamis. Okay, these are the natural processes. These forests got buried under the soil. Means due to natural processes, these forest, the forest, dense forest means घने जंगल. Okay, नेचुरल प्रोसेसेस की वजह से फिर वो क्या हुए, दे वर ब्यूरीड अंडर दी सॉइल, मतलब वो नीचे गिरे, फिर वो धीरे धीरे सॉइल में क्या होने लगे, ब्यूरीड होने लगे, धंसने लगे, दबने लगे. ठीक है, एज मोर सॉइल डिपॉजिटेड ओवर देम, धीरे धीरे टाइम, क्योंकि दे आर टॉकिंग अबाउट दी 300 million years ago. Okay, they are talking about 300 million years ago. So they were compressed, soil were deposited over them. Compressed means वो नीचे जैसे जैसे जाने लगे वैसे वैसे वो दबने लगे. The temperature also rose as they sank deeper and deeper. Means कि वो जैसे जैसे नीचे जा रहे थे, जो टेम्परेचर था वो क्या हो रहा था आपका, बढ़ रहा था. ठीक है, वो बढ़ता चला जा रहा था. हम जितना नीचे जाते हैं हमारा टेम्परेचर बढ़ता है और हम जितना ऊपर जाते हैं हमारा टेम्परेचर कम होता है. ठीक है, बिकॉज यू नो इन दी कोर में क्या है आपके, मोल्टेन, बहुत कोर जो अर्थ का कोर है वहाँ पर क्या है, हीट है, मोल्टेन कुछ एलिमेंट्स प्रेजेंट हैं. ठीक है, तो उनकी हीट, जितना हम नीचे की तरफ जाएंगे उतना हमें गर्मी होगी, उतना टेम्परेचर हमारा बढ़ेगा. सो एज दे सैंक डीपर एंड डीपर, टेम्परेचर ऑल्सो रोज. एंड अंडर हाई प्रेशर एंड हाई टेम्परेचर, जैसे जैसे वो नीचे जा रहे थे वहाँ पे टेम्परेचर बढ़ रहा था. प्रेशर, कोई चीज़ हम प्रेस कर रहे हैं वहाँ पर प्रेशर बढ़ रहा था. सो देन व्हाट हैपेंस, अंडर हाई टेम्परेचर एंड प्रेशर the dead plants got slowly converted into coal. वो धीरे धीरे आपके क्या हुए, कोल में जो कोल लिखा है ना, एज कोल कंटेन्स मेनली कार्बन. कोल जो है आपका वो आपका मेनली क्या कंटेन करता है, कार्बन. ठीक है, प्लांट्स में भी हमारे प्रेजेंट होते हैं, वो धीरे धीरे डिकम्पोज हो रहे थे, नीचे की तरफ जा रहे थे, दबते चले जा रहे थे. टेम्परेचर प्रेशर की वजह से they were slowly converted into coal, as coal contains mainly carbon. So that process is called carbonization, means the process of conversion of dead vegetation into coal is called carbonization. Okay, since it was formed from the remains of vegetation, means they are talking about the forest. So coal is also called a fossil fuel. Okay, coal is also called a fossil fuel. अब coal mainly it contains carbon. ठीक है, किसी ने मुझसे शायद क्वेश्चन पूछा था कि मैम डायमंड इज ऑल्सो फॉर्म ऑफ कार्बन. कार्बन और कोल, बेटा जो कोल होता है इट इज़ अ फ्यूल, इट इज़ अ फॉसल फ्यूल. ठीक है, एंड कार्बन इज एन एलिमेंट. कार्बन आपका एक एलिमेंट होता है, इट इज़ अ नॉन मेटल, इट इज़ अ एलिमेंट. एंड डायमंड इज अ फॉर्म ऑफ कार्बन. डायमंड क्या होता है आपका, कार्बन का फॉर्म होता है. ठीक है, मीन्स कि कार्बन से हमारा जो वो डायमंड होता है वो फॉर्म होता है आपका. और जो कोल की हम जो बात करें, कोल के अंदर, कोल में कार्बन प्रेजेंट होता है. ठीक है, तो कोल आपका एक फॉसल फ्यूल है, एक सब्सटेंस है, एक एग्जॉस्टेबल सब्सटेंस है, एग्जॉस्टेबल रिसोर्स है वो. एंड द कार्बन इज एन एलिमेंट. ठीक है. और एलिमेंट नॉन मेटल आई हैव टोल्ड यू अबाउट दी दैट दे आर इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव इन नेचर. ठीक है. सो कोई बात नहीं, जिसको जो भी डाउट होगा इससे रिलेटेड वो फिर से एक बार मुझे रिमाइंड करा देगा क्वेश्चन को, देन आई विल टेल यू द आंसर. ओके. नाउ नेक्स्ट सी, this is a coal mine. Now it is written that when heated in air, what heated in air? Coal. Heated in air, coal burns and produces mainly carbon dioxide because it contains mainly carbon, and when it burns then it will produce what? Carbon dioxide gas. Coal is processed in industry to get some useful products such as coke, coal tar and coal gas. कोल का जो प्रोसेस है जिससे हमें ये सारे कंस्टिट्यूएंट्स, उसके सारे यूजफुल प्रोडक्ट्स हमें मिलते हैं, दैट इज व्हाट destructive distillation means. Coals are present in their coal mines in a form of coal bed in bed form, means a very large pieces, very big pieces are present, and we cannot use that big pieces. Okay. So coal is processed in industries, means destructive distillation, destroy. Okay. When heated in air, coal is destroyed. Coal is processed in industries by the method of destructive distillation. Then we get coke, coal tar, coal gas. There is one more product, ammonium liquor. Okay. Ammonium liquor, liquor, means it is having a nitrogen also, hydrogen also. In coal not only carbon is present, hydrogen is present, nitrogen is present, sulfur is also present, that some little amounts of these elements is also present. Okay. So when it is processed in industry by destructive distillation, we get coke, coal tar, coal gas. And here it is written about the coke, coal tar, coal gas, that coke is tough, porous, black substance, almost pure form of carbon. It is used in manufacture of steel and extraction of many metals. Coal tar, it is black, thick liquid with unpleasant smell. Okay. It is a mixture of approx 200 substances. You can read the uses. Then it is written that nowadays bitumen, a petroleum product, is used in the place of coal tar for surfacing the roads, for metaling the roads. Now coal gas is obtained during the processing of coal to get coke. जब कोल से हम कोक मिलते हैं तो उसमें हमें कोल गैस मिलती है. Then it is used as a fuel in many industries situated near the coal processing plants. Coal gas was used for street lighting for the first time in London in 1810 and in New York. Nowadays it is used as a source of heat rather than a light. Okay. So this is about the coal. Small summary of this coal. Then in next video I'll explain you about the petroleum and natural gas, then next 2 chapters. Okay. In this week you will get all the videos related to your syllabus, means only 2 chapters are left, then you will get the videos. Okay. Go through this chapter and clear your doubts, whatever the doubts you are having. The mentioned time I have given you, you can clear your doubts between that time. Okay. Thank you.